Welcome to Dubai, the city of lights and the land of the world's most iconic landmarks. This city is not only a hub for business and entertainment, but it is also a paradise for photography enthusiasts. If you are in Dubai and looking for some of the best spots to take amazing photos, then keep watching. In this video, I will take you through some of the top photography spots in Dubai. The first spot on our list is the rooftop of the ShangriLa Hotel on Sheikh Zayed Road. This 40th floor rooftop offers an incredible 360-degree view of the city, and you can capture some stunning shots of the iconic Burj Khalifa and the Dubai skyline. Our next stop is the 80th floor rooftop of the Index Tower. This is one of the tallest residential buildings in Dubai and offers a breathtaking view of the city's skyline. The view of the Burj Khalifa from here is just mesmerizing. Moving on, we have the DIMAC Mason Distinction in downtown Dubai. This luxurious hotel offers a stunning view of the iconic Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Fountain. It's the perfect spot to capture the essence of Dubai's vibrant nightlife. The fourth spot on our list is the rooftop of the 4 Points by Sheraton Hotel on Sheikh Zayed Road. This is a great place to capture the stunning Dubai skyline, including the famous Burj Khalifa and the Emirates Towers. Next up, we have the Dubai Creek Harbor. This is one of the most picturesque spots in Dubai, offering stunning views of the creek and the iconic Dubai skyline. This spot is especially great during the golden hour. If you want to capture beautiful sunset scenery of Dubai's skyline, then head to the Al Jadaf view of Dubai Creek. Here, you can capture some incredible shots of sun setting behind the marvelous skyline. The Dubai Canal is another great spot for photography. You can capture stunning shots of the water and the surrounding cityscape. And if you're lucky, you might even get to see the famous Dubai waterfall in action. The Palm Jumeirah Island is one of Dubai's most famous landmarks, and it offers a stunning view of the city's skyline. The island offers a unique perspective of Dubai and is the perfect spot to capture the sunset. The Dubai Marina is a popular spot for photography enthusiasts. The Marina offers stunning views of the city's towering skyscrapers, and you can capture some amazing shots of the boats and yachts in the water. If you want to capture the futuristic side of Dubai, then head to the Expo City Dubai. This upcoming attraction promises to be a hub for innovation and creativity, and it's sure to offer some amazing photo opportunities. Last, but not least, you can also visit the locally famous Creek Harbor at Dara and Bur Dubai areas. This is where you can ride a small boat for just 1 dirham. I really hope this video made you learn about some of the most vibrant and beautiful locations of this futuristic city. For your convenience, I have added the Google Maps locations of each spot in an article, mentioned in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative travel videos. Goodbye.